guys, welcome back to MoneyQuip, your go-to channel for new business ideas, growing your online business and making money online. I talk all about affiliate marketing, internet marketing, lead generation and SEO. If you haven't subscribed yet, please, the subscribe button is down below. Just click on it and click on the bell notification so you never miss a video each time I upload one. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about how you can earn money online editing texts. These texts are auto-generated. All you have to do is just edit them and submit them for review, and if you pass the review, you get paid. And the way to do this is with transcription. Transcription is basically converting audio or video clips into text. That's what transcription is. And with transcription, there are so many transcription softwares out there that offer jobs that pay you, and the payment varies from software to software. So here I have 3 transcription softwares here with their payout rates. The first one is GoTranscript. It pays 60 cents per minute on average. The second one is Verbit. Verbit pays 24 cents per minute. The third one is TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe pays 25 cents per minute. Okay, so let's take a look at GoTranscript and see what it looks like. Okay, this is the first one here. It's GoTranscript. So here it says 100% human generated transcription service. Okay, this is like their ad for, this is what they want clients to see, and this is what they get paid. They get paid 72 cents per minute, and they pay you 60 cents per minute. Okay, let's just scroll down and see what their services are about. This is what their clients do. They upload their files, then they pay online, and then they get their orders. And these are the jobs that they have available: transcription, English captions, foreign subtitles, and translation. You can apply as a transcriptionist or as a translator. So to apply, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page. And this is where it says for transcriptionists. And to get the job, you just click on work. And once you click on work, it's going to take you to this page where you can apply for the transcription jobs. Okay, let's scroll down and see what their jobs look like. Okay, here it says we pay competitive rates for our online transcription jobs and up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. Average earnings per month is $150. That's average. On average, you can earn $150 just transcriptioning. And their top monthly earnings is $1,215. That's if you're doing this full time, you can earn more than $1,000 online. So to apply, you just click on apply now here. Okay, the second one is Verbit. Verbit is also a transcription software. Let's take a look at it and see their offers. So Verbit, this is Verbit website. It says create impact with transcription and captioning. Our customers are offered the leading interactive solution based on the combination of technology and a human touch. So to get to sign up to Verbit, you just scroll down. There's somewhere that they talk about it. Okay, here it says start captioning and transcribing today. So you enter your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your company or organization. If you don't have this, you can just input your name there. And then once you do that, you click on sign up and you sign up. And with these transcription jobs, you're going to have to take tests. The first test that you take is to test your English grammar, and the second one is to test your transcription skills. And each of these softwares have their own guidelines. So if you're using more than one, you have to take care. You have to be sure of what you're doing. You have to be sure of which software you're using, so you don't use the guidelines of one software with another. Okay, the last one is TranscribeMe, I think. Let's see. Yeah, the last one is TranscribeMe. It pays 25 cents on average per minute. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here this is their website. Become a paid transcriptionist today. Transcribe audio and video into high quality text and get paid. It's that easy. And these transcription softwares, they have softwares that transcribe these audios automatically. So all you have to do is just edit the text. You're not going to type everything from scratch. So you just scroll down and see what their company is all about. We have the industry's best rates with earnings starting from $15 to $22 per audio hour and top monthly earnings at $2,200. Average monthly earnings at $250. As you can see, it's higher than the first one that we saw, Go Transcript. Transcriptionists with specialized backgrounds in medical and legal are paid a higher rate. So to join, you can just click on join today here, or just come to sign up here and sign up as a transcriptionist. And once you click on sign up as a transcriptionist, here, this is where it takes you to create your new account. So you just scroll down. You have to read everything here first. We are excited you are here. Here you will have the opportunity to grow professionally, choose your own hours and work location, make great new friends from all over the world, and best of all, make money every week. Everyone starts off from transcription, and as you get more experience, other positions will become available to you. That means they don't only have transcription jobs here, they have others too. Please read our FAQs before continuing with the registration process. So please guys, I know that not everyone reads FAQs and terms of service and thick stuff like that, but please guys, if you're applying for a job, you have to read it. So once you finish the short registration process, your next step will be to complete our training and exam course. And this training is they're going to tell you all about their software and how it works and their transcription guidelines and everything. All applicants who successfully pass the training course will be contacted shortly and will have paid work available to them. In some cases, you may have to be put on a short wait list as we process your registration because they have so many applications at times. So you're going to have to put you on a wait list. So just scroll down here to sign up. Just fill out this form. Your first name, last name, email, password, confirm password, and payment account is PayPal. So with Transcribe Me, you need a verified PayPal account. A verified PayPal account doesn't mean just a PayPal account that you've activated. No, it means one that has a linked bank account, and with that linked bank account, you have to verify it. If you are unable to verify it, you have to contact your bank to do that. So select your country, state, region, time zone, preferred notification language, gender, employment, transcription experience, and transcription languages. Here they don't only have English. So you can just scroll down, keep scrolling, and any language that you understand, you just check the box here. So the next thing is your Skype ID, which is optional, then your phone number, and how did you hear about us. So most people just use internet search here, but you can use YouTube since you're hearing about it from YouTube here. Then the next thing you're going to do is please read on their terms of service and privacy policy. And once you've done that, you can just check this box here and click on create profile, and an email will be sent to you with verification details. So once you verify your account, you're going to take you to the page where you're going to get your training for these transcription softwares. And once you get your training, they're going to test your grammar skills and your transcription skills, and if you pass the test, you're going to get your job as a transcriptionist and start earning money with these softwares. And this Transcribe Me that says, on Transcribe Me you can earn 60 cents per audio minute, and basically it should take you, let's say, about 10 minutes to transcribe a minute of audio. It should take you actually less. It depends on how fast and how accurate that you are. But if, let's say, it takes you about 10 minutes, you can get 60 cents in 10 minutes. That's $1.2 in 20 minutes. Just keep multiplying and your money keeps multiplying. And one thing about these transcription softwares is that you don't always have a job available. So if you apply to different transcription softwares, If you don't have a job on Transcribe, you can go to Verbit, you might get one there. If you don't get one there, you can go to Go Transcript and you might get one there. That's the trick to doing transcription as a full-time job. Okay guys, so that was my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button, then click on subscribe and click on the bell notification so you never miss a video each time I upload one. So which of these softwares would you apply to first? Is it Go Transcript, Verbit, or Transcribe Me? Please leave your answer in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.